What is up, peddlers? I have finally made a decision on how to give away this bike repair stand. Stay tuned, more information coming. Alright, the time has finally come. I need to give this thing away. It's a good bike stand. I actually ended up just selling my other one not too long ago, the one that I was actually using in some previous videos. That brings us to the rules of how to win this thing. First things first, you need to be subscribed to the YouTube channel. Let's just call it that. And the only way that I know for sure if you're subscribed is if you're publicly subscribed. Number 2, you're going to need to leave a comment on 4 total videos on the channel, 3 of which pertain directly to this stand. Feel free to watch them if you want to know more about this stand because they explain all the things about this stand. I literally bought this at my local Aldi, which is generally a grocery store here in the United States. I will have up here in this corner, which I'm pretty sure it's this corner, but it might end up being that corner. If it is, it'll be there instead of here, but either way, it's going to be corner somewhere? Corner. It'll be up in the corner. Video 1 is the first video that I actually publicly posted on this bike stand. I wasn't really sure I was going to be doing too much with YouTube at the time, so I kind of was winging the whole video. Well, I kind of wing most of my videos. The second video was a follow-up to that video, which wasn't really a follow-up. It was things that I edited out of the initial video that were on a second camera that answered some questions that people had from the first video. That link will be up here, unless it's over there. The third video is another review done a year later, I believe, talking about living and working with this stand. You can win it for a friend if you want. I don't care what you do with it once you get it. You can sell it. Whatever. And comment on this video. Rule number 3, continental United States only. If I end up having to ship this, I can't really afford to send it out of the United States, especially right now. I work a normal job. I manage a bike shop. I don't have a ton of money, so this is just to help somebody out. And then number 4, once I post this video, 4 weeks after the video has gone live is when I will do a drawing for the winner. The winner will be chosen at random. I'm going to take the names of those who have done all the things, subscribed to the channel, commented on the video, and in your comments on this video, preferably let me know the general area of where you live. That'll just make it a little bit easier to figure out how to get it to you. If you're local here, cool, we might just meet up and go ride. If you are not local, you live halfway across the country, I will definitely be packing this up and shipping it out to you. 4 weeks after, we will do we'll do a live video. We'll pull up a live video and we will pop my phone open and we will pull a random number generator. I will have a list of the names on a sheet with a number next to it, first name, last initial, and whoever the winner is the winner. We will get in contact with each other and I will figure out how to get you your repair stand. Good luck. Hopefully somebody wins this soon. And I say soon, it's going to be 4 weeks. 4 weeks from now. Hopefully you're local because I'd love to just go out and ride. It's a good excuse to go ride. Good luck again. Hopefully somebody wins this. Whoever wins this, hopefully you enjoy it, or you're getting it for a friend who's going to enjoy it and use it. It's a great little stand. So until next time, thanks for pedaling with me, and hopefully we'll do another one of these giveaways in the future. I don't have an in line. It's just thanks for pedaling with me. So I'm going away. Bye now.